Life and Death, Part 1. So, when the world started, there were dinosaurs everywhere. But what came after the dinosaurs? Animals. And here we have one of the most deadliest cats, a tiger. Usually the tigers would go out hunting for other herbivores. It is also one of the biggest cats ever to be found. Tigers have a very strong bite force and could attack anything it found. One day, the tiger managed to find the prey. Zebra. They may both come from different continents, but this is their first visit. The zebra doesn't see the attack and doesn't know it's been spotted. The zebra is finding more leaves to eat. Unlike the tiger, the zebra is a herbivore who eats plants. Carnivores sometimes eat other animals. Herbivores don't eat other animals. Since the inside of an animal isn't plant, isn't it? It's meat. The tiger is a very aggressive meat eater that eats almost anything except for plants. An even bigger tiger arrives, and he also sees the corpse of a giant zebra. They are attempting to argue over the food since the bigger tiger hasn't eaten in a while. The tiger takes an attempt and tries to snatch the food. This is a very aggressive tiger and much bigger, which means it might be the female. The other tiger is also very tempted to get the food back. The tiger starts eating the food quickly unless it gets lost again. Sometimes animals and dinosaurs argue over food, but sometimes they don't. Carnivores are way more picky than herbivores and get peckish easier. The male tiger decides to retreat. Some tigers are found wasteful, but some are not. This tiger has to eat, because if it doesn't, it will die. Tigers aren't the only very aggressive carnivore. However, some herbivores can be quite aggressive, like this gorilla. For example, if there was a mean person trying to kill animals to make them extinct nearby him, he could easily hurt someone. Baboons, however, aren't as harmful. A lot of monkeys meet up in the forest. However, most of the baboons would drink water at the watering hole, while the gorillas would mainly go up by the trees. Baboons would usually hang around by lakes. They would usually be spectators of other animals. But the baboons have to be careful around the gorillas, though. Some frogs come in different colours. Some can be poisonous, some can be original, some can be green. The fact that they can poison is quite similar to snakes. The frog doesn't know that the snake is approaching him. Usually, they would start off as a tadpole and then they would turn it into a frog. And then they would be leaping everywhere. Even though some snakes and frogs can be poisonous, the snake tends to be more dangerous. The snake doesn't know if he should risk it against this grown-up amphibian. The snake leaves because he doesn't want to risk it. Meanwhile, there is a carcass of a beluga whale, and a polar bear finds it. Before long, the beluga whale's body has been separated. Dolphins, however, unlike the other animals, live underwater. This one's a pretty small dolphin. But a fun fact about it is sometimes dolphins help other people escape from sharks. A gazelle, on its own, who is going to the watering hole for a drink. Following nearby is another zebra. Drinking by the watering hole is really important, but it contains obstacles. Caimans. The gazelle has no idea about the approaching danger, and neither does the zebra. Once the crocodile is hold, it never lets go. Like tigers, crocodiles will eat anything that's nearby it. The zebra takes a run, but accidentally trips over. The zebra tries extremely hard to get back up, but it's really hard. The crocodile has now approached land and is dragging him back in, not giving the zebra even one chance to run away. Caimans are very small compared to actual crocodiles, so they don't find it as easy to get their prey.